Officer of the Fijian National Rugby League, Mr. Timothy Malamba, the manager of the Fiji body to the 2017 World Cup, Mr. Jioji Konusi, the team coach, Mr. Nick Potter, Reverend Ret'd Aquarium, Nakakawag na waliw ng mga kabayang panimo. Our members of the Bati Team, players, the rest of the officials, members of the media, ladies and gentlemen. It is indeed a great honor and pleasure for me to receive on behalf of government and the people of Fiji, our Fiji Bati Team, the Rugby League World Cup that is going to be held in Australia, New Zealand and Papua New Guinea starting from the 26th of this month, a couple of days time. I wish to congratulate all of you and to thank you for choosing to play for Fiji. I have been closely following the movement affairs leading up to the World Cup, and I note that many talented and in-demand players have chosen to play for the country of their origin. Congratulations. Well done. You, the players, have chosen patriotism over any other deal, no matter how lucrative those deals may sound. I noted with great interest the announcement of the team by the Honourable Minister of Youth and Sports following the Medal of the Batis last Saturday for the Game Awards. With 18 National Rugby League players, 2 from the Super League and 1 each from the New South Wales Cup, the United Kingdom Championship League, the St. George Illawarra and the Fiji domestic competition, you make a lethal combination for any opponent. We certainly have a power-packed team, full of experience, exposure, power, speed, and versatility, among other key attributes required for a winning combination. And rightly so. As this befits the team name, Pampati, are the traditional warriors of Fiji's paramount chiefs. They are fearless and loyal. Their fighting spirit can be maximized when necessary. And when intelligence, wisdom, and fortitude are added into the mix, they can be, in the present context, a winning team. You are a winning team. I'm aware that in the previous World Cups in 2008 and 2013, the Fiji body qualified for the semi-finals. It was quite an achievement. I have no doubt that your goal now is to advance into the final and win the World Cup. And why not? We can do it. On the field of play, Fijians have an indomitable spirit. They are strong, resolute and determined, and can achieve great things when their minds are set right. Beyond the sports field, Fiji as a nation is doing exactly this. Domestically, we are experiencing unprecedented developments with our socio-economic progress, in education, in infrastructural developments, among other things, and importantly, in our national spirit of unity. Within the global arena, Fiji is increasingly taking on leadership roles like never before. We have chaired the United Nations' largest voting bloc, the Group 77 plus China, recently, and we presided over the United Nations General Assembly, the president of which we handed over about a month ago. We have co-hosted major UN conferences like the Oceans Conference, which was held here in Fiji in June. These are vital for clean and sustainable oceans that contributes to our sustenance as Pacific Island people. And we are now ready to take on the presidency of COP23, dealing with climate change. We will lead the world on behalf of the Pacific Island countries and other low-lying countries around the world. Many nations are lending us their support in our collective efforts to save our planet and save humanity by reducing global carbon emissions to about 1.5 degrees pre-industrial levels. We're doing all this and many more for the sake of our children and our future generations. These are big tasks that require that indomitable spirit which I spoke about earlier on. And as a nation, we are making our presence and certainly our mark felt within the international community. Our National Sevens Rugby Union team has done this by winning the Olympic gold medal just over 14 months ago. Our National Rugby Union team has beaten Tier 1 teams in the past 6 months. And our Fijian Rugby Union team is now on top of the Australian National Rugby Championships. And so can you. The Fiji Bati in this year's Rugby League World Cup. You are great role models. Many are household names. So much so that countless youngsters both in Fiji and abroad look up to you. As a patron of the Fiji National Rugby League, I too have confidence in you, your coaches and your officials. And I encourage you to play with pride and bring back glory to this beloved nation of ours and to all Fijians. I accept your i-Tatau today on behalf of government and the people of Fiji. Nawale. And I convey to you all our collective wishes for a very successful outing at the 2017 Rugby League World Cup. I also look forward to watching you play tomorrow against the world's #1 team, the Australian Kangaroos and our Pacific neighbours, the Papua New Guinea Comoros. Now, Almighty God bless you all. Almighty God bless your respective families and of the nation Fiji. Nawale. Thank you.